like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have a mystery box from eBay, and I believe everything is supposed to be new. I believe it's supposed to be $100 value. I think this is another one of those ones I paid $20 for. But if you're wanting me to do, slightly higher ones, just let me know down below. I will go, $100 or something until we get these straight. And first thing I'm pulling out is a whole handful of DVDs, which surprised me because I sold one for $5 over the weekend. I was like, I don't know anybody still bought those, but okay. This is IP Man Kung Fu Master. This is Don't Breathe. And this one is Elvis Presley musicals. It's got 4 of them on it. Girl Happy, Tickle Me, Love a Little, Live a Little, Love a Little, Kissing Cousins. Here's the same thing. And then you have the Hangover Trilogy. There you go. That's those. And I'll just discount them. And then I have one. And these are fuzzy. And there's 2 pair of shoe size 10.54. I don't see how it says. So I have 1, 2, 3 of those. And then we have a Dollar General coil scrunchie and charm bracelet. We have Pro toning band with extra wide. Then we have toning band extra wide. Why does this one feel different? I don't know. I don't know, but the box is a mess. Ouch! Yeah, the box is a mess, so I may have to do some major repair on the box. By the way, I did get, I just looked at the guy across the street's got the cable guy over there. But I did get a new car, well, new to me car. My sister helped me, and these are tagless briefs, size medium. There's that. And we got this little keychain guy. And we got this guy, whatever he may be. Then you got this guy. You're supposed to be able to squeeze it. So you squeeze it and they pop out. But it's not working right. So it probably has a hole in it. There's that. And I'll just throw that in Kids' toy box. Then we have this little guy. He was $3 at Dollar General. All these seem to have Dollar General tags on them, so just so you're aware. And this is Healthy Feet. It's got $8 tag on it, and that's a clearance tag. Makes me wonder what it was to begin with. It's got a clearance tag of $8, so it's probably at least $10. I hit where it popped. It's still hurting. Oh, and here's another one of those. It's a unicorn, I believe. But see how you do? That's what the other one was supposed to do, but it wasn't. But it didn't. This one does. See, it'll go out. I won't give those to children because they're too, they're young and they will chew. Okay. And this is the ladies' graphic tee. And it looks like it's got a heart-shaped flag on it. And it's a small, which I'll never be able to wear. And this is sleep pants in medium. And they're Bobby Brooks. I don't wear medium either. Then we have Active Waistband, and it's on sale for $8. On clearance for $8. And if you look at the pictures, kind of shows you, it's basically like a fanny pack for when you're running or whatever. And here's a luggage tag, shaped like a popsicle. We have hair coils. Now a lot of that smaller stuff I will put in a bag, you know, put it together, because personally I don't, because they have to put in the item, you know, have to type all this shit out, and it's not, to me, I don't like to do that if it's less than $5, because I think it's a lot of work for those women. And then here's some gift bags for Christmas. And here's some 25, 26 calendars. 2-year calendars. So it's good for next year too. So there's that. Well, I don't know if anybody uses those anymore, because don't we use, and this is Open by Christmas DVD. And I'll put that there. Here's some more gift bags. This one says love, and this one says be happy. No bracelets. Here's another little keychain. We got another pair of socks. They're football socks. And last but not least, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's extra large Mission Ridge men's. Let's just see. It's just a plain gray sweatshirt. So there's that one, and I'll put the price paid for it, and I also put all their information down below, the seller's information and all that stuff down below. So come on back, like, subscribe. Remember what I tell you, poor people need love too. Bye.